Alright guys, so today we're going to get back on Project 54, see what we can get done, see what we can play around with. So stick around and let's go over this. Alright guys, so a few things we need to address today. Take off these stickers. Really need to clean this up here. Get that straightened out. Sand all this back down, get rid of that sticker. Get rid of those stickers over there. Gonna need to start addressing some of this again. Also need to figure out what I'm gonna do for a drain hole. I gotta do one over there too because it likes to collect water there. Rehash some of the stuff that I've been doing with it. Need to clean up. Probably haven't decided whether I'm gonna hose the motor off or dust it off, or hit it with air hose. Not sure yet. But there is one thing. Definitely need to address. Let's see what I got to do to fix all this, because that is just, it's pretty beat up. So I got to figure out how I'm gonna take care of that, resurrect that. See if you can see what I'm looking at here. Yeah, so I need to clean up on that. Also need to figure out what I'm going to do for a different pitman arm, because that one, well, it works, it's the right spline, but it's not correct because the taper's often different. And I'm going to rebuild the steering. Also need to clean this up, straighten all that out. Need to work on these hinges, probably figure out a different way to make them work. Gotta get this thing to focus. But yeah, so we're gonna look at getting all of this sorted out, the steering, because it's okay, but it's not okay, if that makes sense. Then we'll straighten out some of these tabs. One other thing I need to do is I need to get this exhaust off so I can clean that up. And then once we get that cleaned up, probably just hit it with some ceramic coat. But the big reason why I need to get the exhaust off is I need to pull this out. And what that is because, well, so got a shop out in LA that can put a new hard line on all this fitting, put all new mercury in it so I can reuse it, because I got some really cool old gauges that came in this and everything that was here, and I like to keep it that way. Just granted, I'm gonna give it the military look and put it back to the way it was, because this was a military issue Jeep. Kind of want to reuse some of the old 80s hot on this Jeep. So so we're going to address that. We're also going to address this a little bit, clean up some more of this. Then we got all this surface rust I need to clean up again, and then get coat of self-etching on this and some regular primer. But for now, let's change gears and get this going. Alright guys, nice and dry, so we're going from this to this. Got the first couple of coats on. It's not bad. Now I am going to sand this back down one more time, clean everything up, get some of these rough spots down, hit it with some 80, then with some 120, and then what we're going to end up doing is the rest of the tub, all of this that's self-etching, this is all going to be Raptor liner, so that's why I didn't go up underneath here or any of that down there, because that's all going to be the Raptor liner for you guys. So, but this really needed to be done, so yeah, I think it's going to look good. It's coming around. Oh, let me show you something. So this is that cool old tint gauge that I've got. You know, it's old S&W, it's old hot rod stuff. Went right here. And that's where it broke. So I have all the line, they just need to fix the tube and repair it so that I can get it all put back together and get some mercury put back in it so I can reuse this gauge. I really want to reuse this gauge because they almost look like original Jeep. But I don't know, it's cool stuff. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. We'll catch up more on doing the front hood and all those pieces here shortly. Thanks for sticking around for today and checking this out and cleaning up that whole dash, which really needed it. A lot of it was pretty rough. We'll get some more of it smoothed out here as we move along. Before we start getting the Raptor liner down, I want to get all the body work done, and then we got to get the tub separated from the chassis so I can get inside the wheel wells and under the tub. Just something I want to do. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to see any more videos, check out the links and subscribe and like. Anyhow, thanks. Take care.